Hello and welcome to the Shoutem Builder. In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to create an app in a few easy steps without typing any code at all. For an example, we'll make a news app. Start by clicking Create New App and choose the news template. After the app finishes building, the first thing you'll see is the main navigation and all of the screens the news template has. To delete a screen, select that screen in main navigation, then click on the ellipses button and click Delete on the drop-down menu. To add a screen, click on the plus button next to Screens. Since we're making a news app, let's add an RSS feed screen. To do that, just click on the News RSS extension. Of course, you need to provide the News RSS extension with a link to an RSS feed you want to display in your app. To do that, select your News RSS screen, paste your RSS feed link into the Content tab of the screen, and click the Continue button to make the builder load the RSS feed. In this tutorial video, we'll use one of CNN's news feeds, so let's change the name of the RSS screen from News RSS to CNN. To do that, make sure you have your News RSS screen selected, then click on the ellipses, and then click on Rename to type in your custom name. Renaming your screen in the builder also renames it in the actual app, which you'll see in just a moment. First, let's take a look at how to manage a more complex screen's content. When you select the news screen in main navigation, you will see some mock-up news content. Let's manage this screen's content. Click on the Edit Items button. Now you can see all the news articles your news screen is currently displaying. To delete an article, hover your mouse over the individual articles to reveal the Delete button. To add an article, click on the Add Item button and fill out the form. Furthermore, you can categorize your news by adding sections. App users will be able to select the category they're interested in through the app. Now let's see what your app looks like. Clicking on the Preview Here button will open your app in a smartphone simulator right here in the builder. You can even preview the app on your own physical device by clicking on the Preview on Device button and scanning the generated QR code. As you can see in the simulator, your news screen has a filter. Clicking on it will allow you to select your newly created category. You can also see that your News RSS feed screen is called CNN, just like you named it in the builder. Whenever you make a change to your app through the builder, you can quickly preview this new change by using the refresh button in the top right corner of the preview pane. There's a lot of ways you can customize the look and feel of your app. If you want to learn how to do that with us, check out the next video in the series.